I've been a study manager for many years, and in that role I've actually done quite a number of financial models. I realized that there had to be a better way of doing financial models.
Well, most of the financial models are sets of spreadsheets, and they get quite complex, and often when you make changes you have issues with the integrity of the model.
Big spreadsheets frighten the life out of me in terms of errors.
I realized, there's got to be a better way of doing this and to actually bring financial modeling to the 21st century.
We were looking for a product that was specific to our industry, and it was also something that you can perpetuate.
The benefit of the NPV model is that it's simple to use.
For me, all the data that I need to put in is really laid out exactly as I want to see it. So it's very simple to put data in and very quick to get the response back from the system.
Once you have the model, it was easy to duplicate the model to different scenarios.
And the product allows you to set them all up quite easily, and then it runs them and you see all the outputs quite quickly.
And very easily put it into a quick table to see where the benefits of each of the scenarios are.
So when you're doing sort of what-ifs on the run and looking at sensitivities and things like that, you don't have to do very much to get a series of outputs that you can then look at and say, okay, I like what I see there, we'll go and study that option or case in greater detail.
The system is pretty cost effective, but the main benefit is that it's so quick to use. So it's not necessarily just the upfront time, it's the speed with which you can use the thing.
This system can actually be used on iPad or computer or in any boardroom that has an internet connection.
We've used it in clients' offices, we've used it in our investors' offices, on a number of platforms, whether it's a desktop computer or an iPad. It goes wherever we want to go.
It's actually a model that also works for companies that are already in production. Millennium Minerals, for example, is an existing gold producer. They are using the model for their internal validation process, and also we're working at the moment on a banking model as well with them.
It's purpose built. It's not an off-the-shelf general solution.
We would recommend using the model for obviously assessments in projects, and particularly at the early stage.
Quick, flexible, really tailored to the mining sector.
Well, simplicity is what attracted me to the product, really.
It's making life easier for companies.